Unsharp is job.
Yes, bro.
Jay.
Where? What your meaning? Converting?
Energy.
Synergy. Ah, inayala na lang.
Butter, bro.
Nasa na to. Why did you say anything?
ABC.
First, I want to be a pilot, but you know that being a pilot is so expensive. That's why.
So I expect you to be very fluent or wordsmith in this subject because you will work as a call center.
No, I just worked there for 2 months. That's why I expect it so.
This is a hard
So
work.
hard, yeah.
I tried it also, but when the employer or the interviewer asked me, can you render time like 6 to
Midnight.
in the morning? I said no, because I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't drink coffee. Okay? I will not survive. Graveyard shift.